Welcome. Today I am with GIGASET GS190 and I'm going to show you how fingerprint sensor works in this smartphone. So at the first I linked this finger, and the fingerprint we can find right here on the back on the smartphone. So just take a look. I'm going to make a few tries and we are going to check how it works. So to be honest, it's not that bad. I thought that it will be much worse. It recognized my fingerprint every time. We got some kind of 1 second delay to unlock, but it's good. It's good, and definitely I can recommend you this protection on the smartphone. And it's faster than the normal pattern mode or pin code. There we got any lag interruptions. Yeah, and that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.